What's up guys, welcome to another video of ChiTech. Today I wanted to talk about some iPhone tips you need to know, so let's jump into it. So with our first feature, you're going to actually see how to turn on your battery percentage in your battery icon. So all you have to do is go to your settings, go to battery, and then turn on battery percentage. This will enable you to see your battery percentage right there. Okay, so let's jump into our second feature. Now this feature is how to send your emails later. So you can actually schedule your emails to send at a certain time just by holding down on the send button. So let me do that. And then it'll give me an option to send now or send later. I'm going to choose to send later. And now I can choose a custom time and date to send this email. Here's another really cool feature. Did you know you can see what apps are tracking your private data? All you have to do is go to your settings, go to privacy and security, and now you can see what apps are tracking your location, and you can see what apps are using your microphone. So that's a pretty cool feature that a lot more people should know. Now here's another great feature. If you go into your settings and then you go to general and then iPhone storage, it'll actually give you recommendations on how to save some storage. So this is a really cool feature. Here it's telling me to delete some photos and videos in my messaging app. So that's a really cool suggestion. Here's another great tip for you guys that want to center your photos better. All you have to do is go to your settings, go all the way down until you find camera, and then turn on the grid option. Now, when you go back into your camera, you'll see these little lines right here. And when you take a picture, you can now center your subject in the picture based on that grid. So now when I go to that picture, as you can see, all the lines are obviously gone, but my subject is centered. So that's a really nice feature. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe for more content. I'll see you guys in the next one.